Hi, good morning, friends, and welcome back to the new session of equipments that are used for heating in the bakery. In today's session, we are going to understand what are the various types of equipment that are used in bakery for heating. Now, as you know, there are n number of equipments, but most important of all of those are the heating equipments that are utilized in the bakery. Now we start with our session with the most important of all of these is a oven, and in particular it is a convection oven. Okay, the convection oven contains fan that transfers the heat in all the direction in the oven. So you can say that it is the most important heating equipment that is utilized in the bakery. In the bakery, it is baking, and baking is incomplete without the oven. So you can say oven is the most important heating equipment that is used in the bakery. Now there are a number of various ovens that are utilized in bakery. You can see this one is the rack oven. Now in the rack oven you have a large racks, okay, which are horizontal, okay, arranged racks, and number of racks, 22 racks, 24 racks, 28 racks. So rack oven is large oven, okay, which is divided into sub racks, and you can place your baking sheet between those racks and can bake your products. Now depending on the size of the product as well as the shape of the product and height of the product, you can arrange your baking sheets into the rack oven. Then we have another important new equipment that is utilized in the heating part, that is a rotatory, revolvery, or you can say mechanical oven. The rotatory oven, or you can say revolving oven, which is nowadays used in most of the bakeries and hotels, is the oven which rotates, okay, 360 degrees with the food that is kept in for baking. So you get an even crust and temperature for all the products that is put into the oven. This oven gives a very even product to the product that is kept for baking. So this oven is mostly appreciated by chef, as the oven temperature need not be controlled and regulated, and even the products need not be moved on from one place to the other. So this is the one of the most important oven that is appreciated by the chef due to its product quality and appearance. Then we have a regular deck oven which is utilized. Now these types of oven as compared to the other ovens is cheap enough. You can say if deck oven you might get for the range of 2.5 to 4 lakh, and the rotatory oven might be going to 9 lakh and above in Indian market. So a deck oven is placed, you can say, with two decks, okay, and without revolving. So you have, the chef has an additional responsibilities to see that the trays are shifted from one place to the other. So in this scenario you see that the deck oven, you have to really take care of your products when you put it into the baking. The temperature has to be continuously controlled by the chef. Then we move on to the most basic ovens that are utilized in all the hotels as well as in household purposes. Now this is also utilized in the bakery for, cooking, or you can say poaching or boiling, steaming. So microwaves is a very basic equipment nowadays in hotel kitchens and hotel bakeries for heating. Then we have this Dutch traditional oven that is not utilized in the bakeries nowadays, but traditionally is also used in various parts of Europe to, you can say, even household cooking can be done in this type of oven. You get individual cooking pots with a tight fitting lids, and it can be utilized for baking of breads or even cooking and roasting of food products. These were the traditional oven that were being used by the Dutch people. We have the bread toaster. Now the bread toaster is again an equipment that is utilized in pantry department of the bakery, or it also has a very important role to play in the pastry and the patisserie department, where roasting of breads and bread products are done and giving coloring. Now, another equipment that is utilized for cooking is double boiler in the bakery. The double boiler is utilized for poaching, boiling, steaming of fruits or foods like raw foods to be processed in further for stuffings, various types of, you can say, fillings to be put into various pastries, or even sometimes chocolate ganache has been double boiled and kept for giving the nice texture. Now, gas ranges are available in various forms, but the basic one is utilized in the bakery for heating purposes. You don't require a very high range burner in the bakery, but a basic gas range single burner or double domestic burner can be utilized for cooking purposes. Now, this is a very high-tech equipment which is utilized nowadays by chefs for coloring their outer crust or the top portion of the pastry, or you can say of the sugar that has been put, and then giving a nice glaze and crunch to the product. This is again one more product which is also the heat gun, sometimes utilized for cooking. It's an electrical operated device that's used to emit a steam or hot air, especially used in icing and in decoration of cakes and pastries. Then we move on to the induction heaters. Now, induction heaters is used for melting and cooking. An induction heater consists of an electromagnetic and electronic oscillators that passes a high frequency alternating current which heats the electromagnetic rods that are present into it and gives the temperature that is above 80 degrees. So the rapid alternating magnetic field penetrates the object, generating the electric current inside the conductor, okay, and thus rising the temperature of the product. So student, that is all for today. I hope you all have understood the session. But if still you all don't have or you have any doubts into the heating equipments, please feel free to write in the comment box and keep in touch. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye.